Today I'm gonna take you on a tour of my beauty room slash office. I say slash office because I used to have my desk there, but I moved it to the living room because it's closer to the internet connection. But sometime in the future, maybe not near future, I'll be building a desk to the dimensions that fit this room better because it's not the biggest room. Does anyone else look at a room when they're gonna decorate it and name it walls 1, 2, 3, and 4 or walls A, B, C, and D? Is it just me? Because that's how I organize things in my head. This one just has a closet. This is mainly my storage closet because usually it's empty, but on holidays or special events, there's stuff everywhere in here. Whenever I'm thinking about doing a look and I'm not sure what to wear, I just bring some random items here. Hopefully they'll work out or inspire me. On the top, I just have one shelf. Has my 3 purses that I own. I need 2 more. Not need, one. A nude one and a black one. But the black one, I honestly prefer it to be a backpack. Over there is just miscellaneous storage. I just have this shelf here that I don't really use, but that's what it looks like. Over here, I just have the shoe organizer, but I saw it somewhere online that people use it for jewelry or for like just other kind of storage. So I ended up doing that idea. I used to have it color coordinated, but now it's just all over the place. On this side, my hubby built me these 2 shelves. I was supposed to paint the whole closet white or like a neutral color and paint the shelves to match, but I haven't got around to it, so ignore that. My little brother gave me that frame right there. My mom gave me those little trinkets over there. And then this is just where I store extra makeup that I don't use that often or just extra supplies. This is where I store my hair products and sometimes cleaning products from my room. Always gotta have the Clorox wipes on deck. I always keep arts and craft stuff and gift wrapping stuff in this room because this is the room where I do everything gift related, craft related. And then on this little jewelry organizer, I have my little earrings and more of the silver and gold kind of things. I think both of them I got them at Walmart, but you can find them anywhere. Eventually, I want to have a better closet organizing system, like maybe some drawers and more shelves, but for now, that will do. I used to have my other desk here, then I moved it. Then I had my other little set of drawers here, but I moved it over here because it's closer and more convenient to me. Here I just have this rug from Forever 21. This mirror is pretty tall. My hubby even fits in it and he's like 6'2". The mirror is not 6'2", but you know the reflection, it fits him in it. It's from Target. I didn't want to put it here because I have my goal board and inspiration board on this wall, but since I'm gonna be redoing my room in the future, it's okay for now. I actually put this goal board and dream board together with some cutouts from magazines. I have some frames that I happen to get from random places. This one is from Hobby Lobby. The perfume ones are from Family Dollar. Actually, they were like $5. I think that one's also from Hobby Lobby. That one and that one are from Burlington. I love Burlington. This is just a file cabinet. It really just holds notebooks, pictures. This, I used to use it for my wardrobe closet organizer when I was living with my mother-in-law. But now I don't like to put clothes in it because, I don't know, I just don't. So it's just mainly empty. It has some miscellaneous stuff at the bottom, but mainly is like office stuff. Little supplies, little note stuff. Here is just my window. The reflection and the light from the sun outside doesn't really show you the curtains, but I'll show you the texture close up. They're like a pretty pink velvet with like a rose gold little imprint design. And these are just sheer with, they have some shiny thread in between them. And then here's just my ring light. This is my chair. I love this chair. Let me show you the back. My mother-in-law actually gifted me this chair for Christmas one year. It was so sweet. She actually ended up buying 2 chairs because she couldn't decide. She's like, I'll let you pick. She bought like a turquoise teal chair, similar design, but the other one had like the tufted in the front, and it was also like the velvety material. And when I tell you it was a hard choice, it definitely was, because I couldn't decide. They were both my favorite color, style, and material, but in the end I knew that I didn't know what color my beauty room was gonna be. So I ended up choosing this one because it was more neutral and still like really nice to where it would go with different kinds of decor. And then when you get to my vanity area, I've been having this table from IKEA for a few years, maybe 4 to 5 years, but I never wanted to get the drawers to match it because I knew eventually I wanted to get like a butcher's block and build a desk with my custom dimensions and possibly use different kind of drawers. And these are not the greatest material, but they'll work for now. But because I'm so indecisive on what I like, that is why I have not officially selected like real furniture to go in here. The lights, I know they look random, but my hubby actually hung them up for me. He wanted me to do like photo shoots in here with red light, and it was such a cute idea, but I haven't done it, so I don't know. Alright, so let's talk a little bit about what's on the vanity and things like that. On this side, I have all of my palettes here. Those are all of the palettes I own. I know it looks like a lot, but honestly, I am such a frugal person when it comes to buying palettes because I know I don't need them all, even though I want them all. And then I ended up getting these Lazy Susan containers. They're actually pretty huge. I don't know if the camera does it justice, but I got these from the Container Store, and they hold all my main daily products or just products that I like to have on hand. These are like my face oils, some primers, some drops, concealers, toners, primers, sprays, foundations, more primers. So it's super huge. It holds a lot of stuff, and I highly recommend it. I don't know that I've seen these at Walmart, at least this size, but I know I've seen some at Target, and I'm pretty sure Amazon has them or anywhere online. This one's more of a medium size, if you see the difference. But this one holds a ton of brushes. These aren't even all my brushes. These are the ones I use on myself. And the brushes, the rest of them are in a kit for my makeup. And then I just have a little picture of my baby and some inspiration pictures and some other little daily products I use over there. I'm not going to move this from here because I burnt the tabletop with my flat iron. So that's just going to stay there. Alright, so on here, I keep my favorite palettes on here. They're, ranging from colorful to neutral, but I don't know. Before I got this little thing, this is just like a little file holder from the Container Store. It has like little plastic inserts, and when you don't have anything in them, they move around so you can customize it. I didn't think I was gonna like the little file organizer, but then when I got more palettes, it actually worked out perfectly. They're snug in there really tightly. Then here, this is like a little dollar store organizer or Walmart. I don't remember from where, but I think it's dollar store. I just have my lip balms. In here, I just have some lip liners I go to. The last little drawer, I have some eyeliners or mascaras and things I use as eyeliners. Here I just have more random face stuff, foundations, makeup remover, cotton pads, makeup wipes. These are products that I'm about to use or I'm gonna try out, or yeah, both. And then moving on to this, I know again, like I said, it's not the best quality, but it was not that expensive. It's supposed to have 8 drawers, but it only has 7 because the person I bought it from, I guess, didn't have the other one on there, but that's fine. So the way I like to store my things is very practical. So the way I'm gonna use things basically in the order that I'm gonna use them. The first drawer actually has eyebrow products. I want a better storage for eyebrow products because I love trying out different ones, so eventually I want to get them their own storage. I basically have my powders and primers that don't fit in here. I have them in here. Here I have most of my highlighters, bronzers, and contours. I will say though that it's getting pretty snug in here. Eventually I'm gonna have to have a drawer just for bronzers and then one just for highlighters, because this was my blush, bronzer, highlighter drawer, and now I have some more in there. This is my nude lip drawer. In the closet, in the shelves, I had red lips, pink lips, and burgundy lips. But in here, I just have all nudes. This is my liner and glitter drawer. So I just have anywhere from colorful eyeliners to primers to pigments and glitters. I don't know if this is Eye Safe. I got it at a dollar store, but if it's not, don't use them, folks. The next drawer, I just have lashes. I always switch these out with the other ones. Just depends which ones I use more often. In this drawer, I have some hair clips, and these are like the ones that you just use while styling. These are just like decorative ones. But yeah, these are my decorative hair pieces. I should wear them more often, right? But sometimes I feel inadequate when I wear hair accessories. And in the last drawer, I have some more miscellaneous hair things: combs, brushes, little clips, little rubber bands, things I need a lot for my hair or for hair in general. And then over here we have some more palettes. There's, palettes that don't really fit up there, so I just have them in here. And then I have a few more down here because they also didn't fit at the top. And then my goal for this year is to not buy any more eyeshadow palettes. There's really only one or two more that I really want to get, but I'm trying not to so hard. This is just, I have a planner that I use and I write everything on, or on my phone, but we are 2 months later, baby. What is going on here? And that just says enjoy the little things, because sometimes I worry a lot. Let's face it, that's all the time. And I forget to enjoy the little things. Our home is just a dream come true. So we want to make big things happen here. And a lot of things are hard for me to do, but I've been getting them done. So if you think you can do it, you can. Just don't stop.